MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Falco on your Ubuntu server. Let's start by adding the repository. Go ahead and use this command. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Next, install Falco using the following command. During the installation, you will be prompted to choose a driver. Make sure to select the same one I'm choosing here. Once the installation is done, you can check its status with the following command. To get real-time security alerts, use this command. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.